In this video, I'll be walking you through Credit Sesame, a popular credit building tool that promises to help you track and improve your credit score for free. Right from the homepage, you'll notice its user-friendly design, making it easy to sign up and access your credit report instantly. Upon signing up, you're prompted to create a secure account where you'll link your financial information. Once that's done, Credit Sesame gives you immediate access to your current credit score, along with a breakdown of the factors affecting it. One of the most impressive features is the Credit Sesame Score Simulator. This tool allows you to see how certain financial decisions, like paying off a credit card or opening a new account, will affect your score. This is great for anyone looking to strategize and understand the impact of their actions before making them. Another highlight is the credit monitoring feature. It updates your credit score regularly, keeping you informed about any significant changes, whether they're positive or negative. It also alerts you about potential identity theft, which is a big concern for many users. Credit Sesame offers personalized recommendations for improving your credit, based on your unique financial situation. These tips are practical and include things like reducing credit card balances, avoiding missed payments, and opening new credit lines when appropriate. It's like having a financial advisor at your fingertips. For those looking to take their credit building efforts further, Credit Sesame also offers premium services that include more detailed reports and financial tools, though the basic version is robust enough for most users. You could also access free financial resources and educational articles to better understand credit and how to manage it. If you're on the fence about Credit Sesame, I'd say it's definitely worth trying out, especially since you can access many features without paying anything upfront. If you're serious about building or maintaining your credit score, Credit Sesame provides a great mix of free tools and features to help you succeed. So, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. I'll be diving into other financial tools soon, so stay tuned.